All right, guys, so we have some Whitestone Dome products in today, and this one is their premium film setup right here. So this is for the Z Flip 4, so we're gonna crack it open here and see what's inside. It's basically giving you full protection. I probably won't do the front cover, but I will do the rear because the front already has a screen protector on it, and I have no desire to take it off if it's working fine for me. So recently I showed you I applied the screen protector to my S22 Ultra. Came out good. All right, got lots of things here. This is for the front cover. Lots of things in this little pouch here, man. This is for the camera. So much stuff in here. And this is for the rear. Okay, that's everything. All right, let's situate this. This is for the back. This is for the interior. This is for the camera, or the front part of the screen, the body right there. And this is for the camera. So you've got instructions, everything laid out for you. Oh yeah, and this is for the hinge. So the only thing I probably won't apply is the screen protector on the front, because again, it's one on there and I don't want to mess with that. But I'm pretty sure it's a quality product. I have had great success with Whitestone Dome when it comes to their products. So I'm going to get the also famous premium microfiber cloth out here. Let's move the phone up here for a second. We're going to do piece for piece. All right. We'll start with the easy part, which is the back of the phone. At least that's what I think. I think the back of the phone will probably be the easiest part. All right, let's get this down here. This is a good microfiber cloth. I mean, I've had it for some time. So just remember to pay attention to your instructions. It's pretty simple, folks. These are not hard to put on. One and then two and then boom, you're done. So this one comes off and then the other ones go on. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up here. I really don't need to wet it or anything like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and oh yeah, there's no wetting anyway. It's just got the little cloth here, and then you got this lint removal for this kit. All right. Okay. So let's get you right here. And fairly simple, folks. There's really not much going on with this part of the device right here. So we get this part off and then we line it up, and then and just remember, these devices are matte, and this is going to give it a, probably just like my other device, my Z Fold, excuse me, my S22 Ultra, it now has a kind of a shiny back on it, but it's about the protection. So this is going to be a push to either side. So when you have it like this, you're going to lift one side up. There's these little tabs here. So after you get it centered where you want it, like, actually I don't like, that's not too centered for me. Let's readjust it. You can adjust this as much as you need to before you do that final drop. And I think that's pretty centered right there. I'll be taking cases on and off, so I want it to be nice and pristine. Don't plan on selling this bad boy. So we're gonna go, see how it cuts in half, and you just push, and that's it. It's just that quick, folks. Simple and to the point. And there should be another piece on top of here. I remember the first time I did this, I didn't know it was another piece on here to pull off. And so here it is. So there we go. And remember, if you're applying this for protection. You're not applying it to look any kind of way, but you can get the bubbles out. There's a few bubbles in there, but you can just heat them up. And since my device is blue, shoot, I can't even tell really. And it's going to be inside of another case. So this is that portion of the device. And now we're going to go ahead and put this portion right here on. We're going to protect this portion of the phone. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. And then we'll use our lint. I wish these were matte. I think that would be pretty cool if these were matte. All right, so now we've got, take one off. And then we'll position one. And since this has a camera or a LED flash there, this one's obviously going to be a lot easier to apply. Well, I thought it would be. I'm crooked already. Let's see here. All right, so you've got this piece right there. There we go. Once you get it where you want it, just drop it down, and as you can always make adjustments. But once you do that final laydown, you can't. So make sure your flash isn't covered, and you are good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this one down. Just be careful not to get that area damaged right there with the LEDs on. Nice strong little squeegee they have here. It's cardboard, but it's strong. So now we're gonna drop down the camera protection here. If you're a person that plans on keeping your device and you don't mind it's gonna be like the shiny material, this is an option for you. So we're gonna go ahead and peel off this layer here. Uh-oh, I think I did too much. Or did I get it already? Did I peel it up already? Going so fast here. I might have. Oh, yeah, I did. Oops. Oopsies. Okay. I think I did. Let's see. There we go. I thought I did, but I didn't. There we go. It's like, man. All right, here we go. So now, you got that. I'm glad my device is a light color, because if it wasn't, man, you'd be able to see all these bubbles, but I'm going to heat it up and get it protected. It's crazy. Okay, so now let's do this side right here. Let's hit this display. Now they do have tempered glass too. They sent me over a tempered glass setup as well for this area. So let's go ahead and peel off number one and position it around the camera here. This again should be fairly easy for you because you have the camera module to line up. Now this I'm not so sure about. It's gonna look too good because it is black. So I'll be able to see everything, but here goes nothing. That part went on great. Let's lift this up. So this actually did good. Oh yeah, that went on better than I thought. Okay, cool. That went on better than I thought. I thought it was going to be really bubbly. You can see all the bubbles, but that's good. Now we just need to get this portion off without creating any more lift, because that's the tough part. Oh yeah, Jay. Get it, Jay. Get it, Jay. Get it, Jay. All right, we are protected. So there it is. Nice clean install. Again, they do sell a tempered glass for this area right here, but you know, if you don't want to use a tempered glass because it kind of comes up and above, that's up to you to do so. And then opening it up, I got to do the hinge, by the way. Let's get that hinge taken care of. The hinge should be fairly simple. Let's see here. So we're gonna go this side first. Let's get it up here. And we'll drop this hinge on here. Should be, I always say something should be fairly simple, and it turns out to give me some issues, but I did the hinge on my Z Fold 3 a while back, and it was great. Looks like I'm trying to center this, and I really don't have to because it's not officially all the way in the center. All right. Right now, let's go here. Same process applies, just like that. This time though, this is curved. Like the hinge is curved. So you want to go down and make sure you get the hinge. Oh yeah, this ain't gonna work, folks. I'm gonna have to lift up the other portion on here first. Oh no, I already got it. Oh, that was that. Okay, oh man. All right, man, Whitestone Dome, this is actually really good. It's better than I thought. I thought I was going to have a lot of problems getting it to seat down in there, but that's not what was seated. You just make sure you get that extra film off. And you probably can't tell it's on there, but I can. It's on there. So I want to make sure I warm it up a little bit more. And if it comes off with the hinge, like when I close it, that just means I didn't seat it properly. So here's the true test. Come on, baby, don't come up, don't come up. I can hear a little bit of creaking, but okay, yeah, it's on there. It is on there. Yes, I am protected, fully protected. And then again, the reason I'm not doing the front is because there's a screen protector on there from Samsung, and I don't want to mess with it. But there it is, folks. Completely covered by Whitestone Dome. You might see some bubbles, but I'm going to heat it up and make sure I get it right. But this is about protection. You know, sometimes always trying to look good isn't the way to go. There it is. It's your man Jay. This is the premium film from Whitestone Dome. And this is for the Z Flip 4. Try to do this real time for you so you can see what it would be like for you to install it. Just follow the instructions and it's perfectly fine. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.